Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are making a vibrant and flavorful Ghanaian green chili sauce that pairs perfectly with grilled meats, rice dishes, or even fried plantains. It's super simple and trust me, you're going to love it. So let's jump right in. So moving on to the ingredients, I have some spring onions, some onions. You can omit the sweet onions and just use regular spring onions, which is the scallion. I have ginger, some garlic, and I have some scotch bonnet pepper. Very simple ingredients we are using for this recipe. And of course, if you want more green chili sauce, you can increase the measurements and the ingredients. I've also listed all the ingredients in the description box, so kindly check it out. What we'll do is to add all the chopped ingredients into my blender. So with the blender I have, I'm just going to blend it right away without adding any oil. But if your blender is not strong enough, you can add in oil to just bring it all together. So I'm just going to blend it until you get a slightly coarse texture. You don't want it to be completely smooth, okay? So once I'm done, I'll pour it into my saucepan over a medium heat. I'm going to allow the liquid to reduce. Alright, so once you see there's no liquid, we'll go in with enough oil to fry it. I'll give it a quick stir and allow it to fry. So once it is fried enough, I'll just go in with my half season cube. You can use any season of choice. You can omit the seasoning cube, use whatever you have. Then goes in some salt. Give it a quick stir and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, but also making sure I stir it periodically. This allows the flavors to deepen and the sauce to thicken. And that is it, guys. Super easy and delicious Ghanaian green chili sauce. The vibrant color and the aroma, I tell you. In a corner fried yam corner, okay? Abaleke. So good. So I'm going to allow it to cool down completely and then store it into my airtight container. But you can serve it right away. This sauce is so versatile. You can enjoy it with your fried yam, fried fish, or you can enjoy it with your jollof rice. Use it as a condiment for anything you want. You can even use it as a marinade for your fish, chicken, anything at all. It's so good. Trust me, you and your family are going to love it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you will pair this sauce with. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!